Hi, this is Teresa Tommy. Today we will see how to make homemade apple cider vinegar. The ingredients that we need are apples cut into large pieces. I have used 4 apples here. Sugar. We need 1 tablespoon of sugar for each apple. Water. I have a big glass jar here to put the apples in. Wooden chopsticks to stir the mixture. A coffee filter and a rubber band to cover the jar. Now we will put the apple pieces into the jar. We can add the sugar now. Now we will add the water, and the water should reach just above the apple pieces. We can stir the mixture with a wooden spatula. Now we will cover the jar with a coffee filter and a rubber band. Every day you open the jar and give the mixture a good stir so that the pieces on top will go down, and this will prevent any molds from forming too. In about 2 weeks you will see bubbles coming up, which shows that the fermentation is in process. Keep the jar in room temperature at the corner of your countertop. It's been 5 days that I have been stirring the mixture, and you can see the bubbles coming up. On the 28th day, we will strain out the apples and pour the liquid into a glass jar. Thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned for the update on this apple cider vinegar.
So high I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.